Come on, Ace. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Go get Stella. Go get Stella. Where's Stella? There's Stella. Where's Stella? There's Stella. Yep, here we are on the top of the dam. You guessed it, Prompton. Prompton State Dam. I've never done this before in my life, and I could give all the credit to Soul. I'm telling you, man, I'm onto something here because I can't stop moving. I've only taken this stuff for 2 weeks, and I can't stop moving. These dogs got to keep up with me now, and I couldn't walk. I was a prisoner in my own body for the better part of 5 years. It was awful. Inflammation is the most god-awful thing anybody's got to endure, because when that inflammation hits and it presses against those nerves, and those nerves get sending signals to the brain, let me tell you, it is the worst thing ever. So thank God for Soul, and thank God for a beautiful day, and thank God for Stella and Ace being with me. And I am, I think, directly on top of the dam here. If I do a 360, and I'm wondering if I throw my camera up over the Yep, and they're fishing. Look at that. Yeah, I can probably run down this rock face and run right back up it and wouldn't even think twice right now. Isn't that crazy? Thank God for Soul. That's all I can say. Thank you, Byron Belkin and Nick and Steve and you guys who introduced me to this, because we've got a winner here. God bless.